In 2025, a U.S. customer ordered a 2,660 kVA, 3-phase pad-mounted transformer. Rated 22.8 kV primary, 0.8 kV secondary, YND1, vector group for stable 3-phase operation. Designed for outdoor installation with FR3 natural ester insulation, DOE efficiency, and aluminum windings for reliable, safe power conversion. Compact pad-mounted enclosure integrates transformer tank, switching equipment, and protection devices for medium voltage distribution networks. Equipped with oil level, temperature, and pressure monitoring, pressure relief valve, surge arresters, and grounded electrostatic shield for enhanced safety. Supports load break switches and external high-speed fuses, enabling fast fault isolation and uninterrupted power delivery.